since we are a data hub, we are an IoT platform that brings the bridge between OT devices and IT devices. We decided to bring a new development that we are doing since late August, which is related to the disruptive transformation that ChatGPT and OpenAI are bringing. So we are using natural language, not only providing a way to exchange data between devices, but we are also putting natural language working for the data hub. So we are able to change what we want and at the right moment, at that specific time. So you don't need a programmer, you don't need someone in the moment. It can be someone that is able to talk English or Portuguese or Spanish or French. So that's what we bring. Automation kind of started in the third industrial revolution, and this transformation that we are seeing, which is commonly known as Industry 4.0, it's an automation of information. So in a sense, automation is key. So we are continuously doing automation. And we have automation in our houses with Alexa and other type of devices that we don't associate to automation because we always think about robotics. But even our notifications in our calendar, things that we commonly use are automation, because the idea is to use information to save us time, and for that something happens automatically. So coming back to the industry, robotics and automation is the key, especially because of the times that we are living in, where the world is very competitive, and the Western world needs to readapt itself, and it needs to have automation as key. Nowadays, we see a lot of people complaining about the lack of resources, and those lack of resources, they arrive because we are able to, especially in the Western world, we're able to live to new standards, and some typical jobs that we had are not, I would say they were very repetitive. So we were always being operators, and it doesn't make any sense now to go into that direction. It makes more sense to go into the automation, to bring it into a new level, and instead of having operators, probably have supervisors of automated lines, probably have managers. That's the next challenge, and for that, information, AI, machine learning, robotics are key. The other topic is the issues that we are facing nowadays. We have a lack of some materials, some parts, and this brings a lock in the economy. So we are not able to change what we are doing because we lack the productivity, because we lack of the materials, and it is a cycle that we somehow need to break and probably make plants that are not bigger but smaller, but are capable of providing in a sustainable way for the communities, closer to the communities. And this way it will probably be more easy, especially for Europe and Western countries, to adapt, because we lack the workforce, the labor workforce that's young. Actually, in terms of demographics, we are getting older, and this is also another challenge for the industry itself. I think it's very good, the advanced factories, and also this division that I think I see it, the advanced factories and the advanced machine tools. It's normal nowadays to divide both subjects, because especially Industry 4.0 is becoming a thing of itself. So this event is very important to exchange knowledge, to know what different products exist, what different technologies are there, who is the key person on what subject. So if we go into something that's very generalistic, it kind of loses the quality that the exhibition is having. So I think it's best if that division exists. So, and it was a very good idea to do it.